Looking for the best orthopedic shoes to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 9. Skechers ArchFit 2.0. The best budget-friendly option on our list. As the name suggests, these shoes offer excellent arch support without sacrificing comfort. The insole is removable and molds to your foot over time, which helps reduce shock and evenly distribute weight. The shoes feature a soft jersey mesh upper for better airflow, and the stretch laces provide a snug yet flexible fit. One great thing about these shoes is their ArchFit insole system, which is backed by 20 years of research and over 120,000 foot scans serious data to help give you the best support. They're also machine washable, making it easy to keep them clean. Plus, they're versatile enough to go with almost anything, from jeans to shorts, and the Skechers branding adds a cool touch. One user said, "Wearing them to my job each day gives my feet comfort and pain-free support." If you're looking for a sneaker that combines arch support, cushioning, and breathability without looking like an old-fashioned orthopedic shoe, the Skechers ArchFit 2.0 is a great choice for everyday walking, jogging, or running. Number 8. Asex Gel Ceno 31. These shoes are the best for wide feet on our list. If you're looking for serious stability and comfort for your runs or everyday walking, this is the most refined model of AEX since 1993. The cushioning of these shoes uses plush F Blast Plus foam, which is soft but still gives you enough bounce to keep things smooth. Plus there's a little nugget of pure gel in the heel to absorb impact, which makes it great for heel strikers or anyone who needs extra shock absorption. The guidance system of AX 4D provides top-notch stability to these shoes. It helps to keep your feet aligned without feeling stiff. This means if your form starts to break down like after a long run, this shoe helps keep you on track, and with a wide base and flared-out sole, you get even more balance and support. The heel collar also has a snug recessed padding that really locks your foot in place. It's also very breathable with the updated mesh upper providing better ventilation so your feet won't overheat. The only downside is that it's a bit bulky. If you want something lightweight and fast, this isn't for you. But if you need a reliable ultra-comfy shoe for easy runs or all-day wear, the Ceno 31 is a fantastic choice. Number 7. Oncloud 5. This is the best slip-on option on our list. If you want to slide into a sneaker without messing with laces, this one is for you. This shoe has elastic speed laces so you can slip in and out without a second thought, but if you prefer classic laces, they throw those in the box too. In terms of comfort, this shoe is up to the mark. It's lightweight as well. At only 250 g, you can wear it all day and it won't feel like bricks on your feet. The molded heel design helps lock in your foot so there's no awkward slipping around inside. Plus the breathable mesh upper keeps things cool even if you're on your feet for hours. The midsole has Z's Cloud Tech cushioning, which gives you a soft landing but still feels stable. This is great for walking but may not be the best if standing still for too long. However, one thing to note is that it runs a bit narrow, so if you have wider feet you might need to test it out first. And while the grip is solid on the heel and forefoot, the midfoot area is a little lacking, which means it might not be the best on slick surfaces. One buyer writes, "I got these for my fiancé and he loves them. They are so light and extremely comfortable. He had been eyeing them for some time and they did not disappoint." Overall, if you're after a lightweight, easy-to-wear sneaker that keeps you moving, the oncloud 5 is a solid choice. Number 6. Mauno Men's Wave Inspire 20. This is the best option for people with diabetes on our list. This running shoe perfectly balances comfort and stability. The Inspire 20 continues to refine the series with smart updates for over 2 decades of improvement. The cushioning of this shoe uses Mizuno Enery foam, which basically gives you a soft yet responsive feel. It's also not overly squishy, so you still get a bit of a bounce with each step. Then there's the Mizuno Wave Plate. This helps spread out the impact when your foot hits the ground, giving you a stable ride without feeling stiff, which means it's supportive but not overbearing. The upper of the shoe has a breathable jacquard mesh that keeps things cool, and the gusseted tongue helps keep your foot snug and secure without any weird pressure points. This shoe holds up well even if you're putting in serious mileage because it has carbon rubber in high wear areas. Now a couple of things to note. It's a 12mm drop shoe, which is great for runners who need a little extra lift, especially if you have stiff ankles or a history of pronation-related injuries. As Matt says, "After learning that I needed some stability in my shoe due to pronation, this shoe changed my running life. I feel like I can run forever in these." And while it's not the lightest shoe out there, the updated design makes it feel more streamlined compared to past versions. If you want a dependable, comfortable running shoe with solid support, the Mauno Wave Inspire 20 is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Brooks Glycerin GTS 21. This is the best option for people with plantar fasciitis on our list. This shoe provides excellent cushioning and solid support to your feet. It has nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning to provide you great comfort. That means it's soft underfoot but still responsive so you don't feel like you're sinking into the shoe. Its guide rail support system makes it ideal for people with plantar fasciitis. The extra support makes a real difference. It keeps excess movement in check and helps stabilize your steps without feeling restrictive. Another big plus is its fitting. It has an internal stretch booty that wraps around your foot, moving with you instead of against you, and the new Warpnet upper is super breathable so your feet stay cool even on longer walks or runs. It has a 10mm drop that helps take pressure off your heels, and the wide platform makes transitions from heel to toe feel smooth. Plus it won't push your feet against your arch and keeps things balanced. Overall, if you're dealing with foot pain and need extra cushioning without losing support, the Glycerin GTS 21 is a fantastic pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the orthopedic shoes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button.